Hi, I'm Adri.
I'm Tanner.
And Jared.
And this is our limiting reagent problems.
Perfect.
Find the molecular weight of MgOH2. So 24.305 is the mass of magnesium, plus 1.0079, which is the mass of hydrogen, and then 15.999, which is the mass of oxygen. Multiply that by 2 because there's 2 there, and which gives us the molecular weight of MgOH2, and that is 48.3 8. Next, we have to find the molecular weight of H2SO4. So again, we just kind of basically do the same thing we did here. We break that down, which is 2 hydrogens, so that's 1.0079, multiply that by 2, and then figure out the S and the O. And the altogether molecular weight is 194.2718. Now we have to break everything down into moles and masses and all that fun stuff. So we're looking for 1 gram of MgOH2, and we need to multiply that. Well, first we gotta back up. So balancing this, we would put a 2 there, and then we would put a 2 over here. So now the equation is totally balanced. So we need to find, and that's like, that will come into play with our moles and stuff like that. So we have 1 mole MgOH2, and that is 48, it's this number right here, 0.318. And then, that's grams, then you'll multiply that by 1 mole H2SO4, and that is, which equals 2 moles of our MgOH2. Multiply that by 216.5615 over 1 mole of MgSO4, which is our outcome right there. Next, so after that, you'll basically be multiplying 1, and this number, and then 48.318 times 2 times 1, which all equals, and then you divide the top by the bottom, and that all equals 2.2 grams of MgOH2. Next, we gotta move over to this lovely guy right there. So, we have 0.605 grams of H2SO4, and we gotta break it down just like we did with our magnesium up here. So 1 mole of H2SO4 over is this number right here, 194.2718 grams. Multiply that by 1 mole of SO4, which is equivalent to I messed up right here. MgSO4, which is 1 mole of H2SO4. Multiply it again by 216.5615, and then 1 mole of MgSO4. Alright, just like we did with the top, I like to underline what I need to multiply, and then you divide the top by the bottom, and you get a really long number, 0.674412, and it keeps going, so we'll just say 0.7 grams of H2SO4. So since this is less than this number, our H2SO4 is going to be the product that runs out first, which means our H2SO4 is the limiting reagent.